The holiday season. Need inspiration to create a holiday home every year? Here are 3 tips to create a cozy and inviting Christmas home for your family. Tip number 1, personalize your Christmas tree. You should never feel pressure to buy all new decorations to match the year's trends. Choose to personalize your Christmas tree instead. Start by creating a unified look by reusing similar colored ornaments. Then, personalize your tree with ornaments that have meaning for each family member. You can choose ornaments that represent events, activities, or milestones accomplished that year. It will become a fun holiday tradition that everyone will look forward to. Another simple and affordable way to create a signature look for your tree: wired ribbon. You'll be amazed at how ribbon can change the look of your tree. There are a variety of ribbons to choose from at your local arts and crafts stores like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Check out the link below for my favorite ribbon options. Tip number 2, create a cozy Christmas living room. Add layers of coziness to your living room with chunky knit blankets and fur throws. The chunkier, the better. Choose a thick, solid colored throw that coordinates with everything. Or add fur throws to create a luxurious feeling in your living room. You'll enjoy cuddling up by the fire watching your favorite holiday movie. Quality pillow inserts are also a great investment. Just add pillow covers to change your look. For a sofa, purchase 2 square 22-inch pillows, 2 18-inch pillows, and 1 lumbar pillow. I'm providing a link below for the most affordable pillow inserts. Tip number 3, decorate a Christmas bedroom. Wake up to the spirit of Christmas by creating cozy holiday bedding. Creating a cozy Christmas bedroom doesn't have to be difficult. The formula to achieve a signature holiday look in your bedroom: solid colored comforters, quilts, or duvet sets in white or red are the easiest to find. Add printed or textural pillows and throws, and for a traditional themed room, try tartan or buffalo check prints. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite Christmas tip. Take my Define Your Style questionnaire provided in the link below. Subscribe to this channel for more seasonal and holiday decorating tips. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching.